So yeah, consider the probability experiment of having 2 children. The first thing we want to do here is identify the outcomes of the probability experiment. So what are our possibilities of having 2 children? So we can have a boy and then a boy. That's one outcome. We can have 2 girls. Or we can have a boy and a girl. So is having a boy and a girl different than having a girl and a boy? Yes, right? So the girl would be older in this case. So we have 4 possibilities there. So part B asks us to determine the sample space, so that's just where we write all those outcomes. So we're going to write S is equal to curly brackets, and then we're just going to list the outcomes. So I'm just going to use B for boy and G for girl for simplicity here. And then C asked us to define the event E, have 1 boy. So we have 2 possibilities here. So E is equal to, we have our curly brackets, we can have B and then G, or we can have G and then B. And then we're going to know what's the probability of E. So we're going to write probability of event E. So the notation there. So make sure we're using our notation. So this is just P of E is equal to the number of outcomes of E over the number of outcomes in our sample space here. So that's 2 outcomes for event E, and we have 4 outcomes in our sample space. So that probability is just 1/2 there. Right?